I guess what inspired me to make this work was getting the opportunity to come to Brisbane and look at the space and think through the site and the location, and I guess the inspiration came from there. And it came from thinking about the past works that I've done at Art Space in Auckland and the City Gallery in Wellington. Yeah, and the inspiration came from formulating a project that would work well at GOMA in the river space. And one of the interesting things I liked about it yesterday when I was wandering around outside and looking at the vantage points from the river, I kind of started to think about how it actually started to reflect different sections of the architecture of the building itself. And some of the cladding was starting to be referenced in terms of the construction of the work as well. There's no ideal vantage point, and I guess when I'm wandering through making these decisions of how people can approach it, one of the main things that I'm thinking about is actually making sure that any one viewpoint or vantage, the viewer doesn't have a complete sense of the structure. So in terms of wandering into the entry point and seeing inside the internal space, it doesn't give the opportunity for the viewer to completely understand the structure. And so I'm really interested in that in terms of when a viewer may approach a standard sculpture, you can walk around it and have a complete sense of how it operates in space and its relationship to the viewer, whereas this is really subverting that